Hello viewers, right now we are after 5 minutes reach in the PP Island. This is the mountain, is the PP Island. This is island PP. It's so beautiful. Right now I am in the top of the ship. So we are coming from Karvi to until here around now 2 hours here already finished. So after 5 minutes, 10 minutes maybe I will reach. This PP Island is the port of PP Island. So this mountain is very beautiful, and there also have some island is more beautiful, and there also one small island is more beautiful. A lot of island in Thailand. So I hope everybody, and that one is the taxi boot. If you want to go to private some parts of island, some island if you want to go, especially the private boat, also taxi boat. So you can sit down, only the capacity about 5 passenger, no? Only 5 passenger. Yes, this boat only 5 passenger capacity. And this is the PP Island. Okay, so we will see today PP Island. When I reach there, then again I take in the video. Hello, right now we are reaching the PP Island. So this boat. What we see today, PP Island, the beautiful island in Thailand. So right now we will see. They are taking some money, I don't know how much.
20 baht per person.
20 baht per person pay again here for jetty. So viewers, right now I have to pay 20 baht for entry in PP.
Thank you.
Welcome. Yes. Yes, they are taking again 20 baht for the entry of PP Island. And boot ticket is separate. Otherwise we will see today PP. Oh, it's nice. So beautiful. Like that this boot I come was here. PP Island is more beautiful, and water also very nice here. So tonight I stay here, and tomorrow I have to go back to Phuket. So there is a Burger King also, very nice. If somebody hungry, so can come direct to eat Burger King. It's very beautiful. And here also many people stay here. Some company taking care also. And this department, Ministry of Transport. Okay, so right now I have to go check another side also. There's so many island here. This island is, you can see from here also which parts of you want. This is a private boat, you can take from here to go anywhere. This is a private boat taxi. We have to see taxi boat. Also we have 7-Eleven available here also. It's very nice, and many restaurant and beautiful area. And this is a taxi boat. If you want to go especially some island, so you can buy a ticket from there as office, and you will go private. And that ship, that big boat, so coming right now we are from Karvi and this island. So let me see another side. Hello viewers, so right now you can buy a ticket from aeroplane here also. And where you want to go to, same like Kirby, Phuket, anywhere you want to go, you can buy ticket from here.
Buy from me.
Yes, he said buy from him. Okay. So how much ticket for the?
The Asian price is come with you at 450.
Ah, okay. He said 450
Same.
special. Okay, okay. Nice to meet you. So viewers, right now I can walk from here to until we will see the Kirby, sorry, Phi Island today. So you see a lot of people here visiting, and McDonald's, Burger King, anything is enjoy more here. Also have a Arabic restaurant and Indian food market, Indian restaurant, sorry. A lot of here, very nice, beautiful city. I like it. There is a lot of way. If you want to go here, you can go. If you want to go to here, it's go. There's many places. Yes, this is the Phi Island. It's very beautiful. Anywhere you can find the restaurant, shop, and tattoo shop, and anywhere. It's very nice. Have hotel, have party, have everything. Roti. Oh, there is also Muslim food can find easy to here, and halal food. You can see the halal food also available here. Seafood, everything. Thai seafood. So right now I have to go walk this area, or maybe this area. So right now is I think this video is very long, so I have to stop this video, finish from right now. Then after I taking next video and parts of this Phi Island. So right now I have to take care, bye bye, and nice. And right now I going to the second side. This side also have sea view, and this side also have sea view. Okay viewers, so right now I am going to this side. This is the Phi Island, second side. Sea view. That's very nice, beautiful. Phi Island. There is a lot of foreigner here today, and hi, how are you? Fine? Yeah, okay, thank you. Yes, there are the European people also coming here, visit and enjoy this Phi Island. So this kind of halal food like that, same like that. Phi Island is the main. Oh, what did I say? Also have mango, some kind boat, bus, plane, ticket buy from here. How much ferry boat? How much go to pocket? Yes. 400. 400? Yes. One people, 400? Yes. I will come back. I first go to security. 400 baht, 9 o'clock. Okay, 1 minute. Seafood is very nice in the Phi Island, my friend. You see all is the price also here, and this the way the seaside. This the shop. Phi Island also kind of this food, this fresh seafood. If you come here and you can buy seafood, is the very fresh. Also you see this line. How much you working here? How much? No problem, no problem, no problem. No, I just asked you. We don't know how much the price is actually working right now here. So I have to go another shop. Okay, thank you. So we were some people is still working, is writing the price also. I don't know how much. Let me see later, okay? So right now this side also going to seaside beach. It's very nice. And this way also going. And let me go this side, see the seaside. It is very beautiful area, and also a pharmacy available here, and this shop like that is very nice. Is the massage shop also available here? It's so beautiful. Phi Island. Oh, this is the burger sandwich. If you want buy any sandwich, okay. It's a 190 baht, no? Okay, 190 baht like that, viewers. This one. If you visit here, don't forget this shop is very nice. Okay, and tattoo shop. Tattoo. Tattoo shop, okay? Yes. Nice to meet you. Bye bye. And there is a lot of bar, disco also available here. Let me check this the Fکنک boot ticket anywhere, anytime you can buy. Is many shop is available here. Is office, is tattoo office also. Tattoo shop, sorry. Tattoo. Oh, tattoo. Okay. So viewers, is I think is very nice. Phi Island, very beautiful. So this side you see, this also the second part of this island, second side, B side. That one before the A side. Right now I come here is the B side. This is the B side, Phi Island. Oh, it's very nice. Yes, beautiful area. Is like yes. So this is the second part of the beach. This island is very nice and beautiful. Kindly, there are so many European people also here. You see the some Pelang is walking here. This is the European people. You see the European here. A lot of people here is visiting. Welcome. It's very nice, beautiful, and parts of the sea. This is the second side in the sea view. Here is a lot of people visit here. Here the night time is Island. Yes, seafood. Right now already night, so this way is going to seaside, and this way going to port of Island. A lot of people come from here. Restaurant anywhere busy because here have seafood is very nice. Almost people come for eat seafood here. So like that. There's also seafood here. and Tampo. Very nice right now. This Banyan Villa, you can take from here to reservation and you book your hotel and room, everything here. I think it's very beautiful, this village. Pippi Island is very beautiful.
I told this to a bird the other day. I can't even start.
Pippi. Here's the McDonald's. That one, coffee club, coffee restaurant, and also Siam Bank. This restaurant.
Very funny look. Very funny. We're just stuck here.
It's a nice hotel. The hotel name is Cabana Hotel. Pippi Cabana Hotel. It's very nice. It is the night time is like that. The Pippi Island at night time is like that. Here is the more people, tourists come to here and enjoy and eating, sitting. Oh, sorry, you can stand my phone. More busy right now. Yes, it's night time. It's already